Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Apple Watch Control Center. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If your Apple Watch Control Center is mixed up and you want to reset the control center back to the default settings, then this is what you need to do. Now, first thing is go ahead and press the digital crown once to see the watch face. Locate and click on settings. On the settings, scroll down until you get to control center and click on it. Once you click on control center, I should say reset control center layout. Click on that. Then you should feel haptics. And then under reset control center layout, scroll down and click on reset control center. Once you click on that, this is going to reset your Apple Watch control center. Then you should see the control center reset. And that's it. So that's exactly how to reset control center layout on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.